Here's the next problem. We're still talking about the pictures that you circled that measured the bone correctly. So if you can remember the two that you picked, which hopefully you can, when you get to the next problem, I want you to circle them again just so you know. And then you're going to answer question B. It says, what was the length measurement of the bone for each correct picture? And this is pretty simple. Let me show you what you're going to do. So under each picture, there's a length measurement. This one says 3 centimeters. This one says 4 centimeters. This one is 5 centimeters. And then this says 2 paper clips and 3 paper clips. What you have to do for each picture that you circled, you need to write that exact measurement down here on this line. And remember, I don't want to just know the number. I need to know, what did it use? Did it use centimeters or paper clips? So if you circled C, you need to make sure you write 5 centimeters. If you circled D, you need to make sure you write 2 paper clips. For each bone that you circled that is measured correctly, please write the length of measurement, how long it is, down here on this line.